All right, welcome back to the Lightning Step Couch. Again, we are here in Denver, Colorado at the NAATP Conference 2024. Sitting next to me is my good friend, Ron Black, the president of ceclasses.com. Ron, thanks for joining me today.
Thanks, my pleasure.
Awesome. Can you tell me a little bit about CE Classes and what you guys do?
Sure. So at CE Classes, we started out small and we provided continuing education for behavioral health care specialists, such as social workers, psychologists, marriage and family therapists, and of course, drug counselors. That's what we're here for. So as our company grew, we realized that there was a need for agencies to train their employees.
Mm-hmm.
So, for example, if you are CARF accredited, CARF wants you to take over 20, have your employees take over 20 different trainings. So we package that up in a nice bundle and then we provide it to the agencies and they can distribute it to their employees online. And it's a big savings for companies. You don't have to gather everybody up in a room.
Mm-hmm.
And what happens if somebody misses the class? And meanwhile, if you gather everybody in the room, what are the clients doing? You still so someone's missing. So when we do it online, it's available to everybody, and we have great tracking systems.
Awesome. How long have you been doing this?
Over 20 years.
Okay. And what made you start doing this? I know you understand the need for it, but what's your background and why did you guys find the need to open this up?
Okay. Well, like many people in the substance abuse industry, I started out at a treatment center, and there wasn't a lot of peripheral help for the treatment centers when I started. As a matter of fact, there was only one AA meeting coming into the center. And so I used to come back and run some groups for free for the clients. And it was on the old therapeutic community model. I don't
Yeah.
even know if you know what that is. But, and then they said, hey, we like what you do. Would you like to work here?
Yeah.
And so I became their first behavioral health tech. And then from there, I went to school, continued on, got my master's, got licensed, worked in a whole bunch of places, ran big facilities. And then eventually I said, it's time to expand a little and see what the private world has to offer me.
Yeah. What are the consequences of somebody that doesn't continue their training?
Well, what happens is you don't become current with what's going on in the world.
Mhm.
And for an agency that doesn't follow criteria, they open themselves up for liability.
Okay. Yeah. And so if somebody were to take classes from you and get this, and how does that help them in behavior as, extend their professional goals as a clinician? What are the
There we go.
benefits from, yeah. What are the benefits of working with CE classes?
Well, the benefits are it's super cost effective.
Okay.
Okay. So, like I said, um, whenever you hold a training for your employees live, someone misses it. Someone's on vacation, someone else called in sick. So you make sure that you have maximum coverage for all your trainings. It's available 24/7, so people can do it when they're working or when they're not working. There are reminders that come both to staff and to employees, hey, take this course. And the agencies get a nice tracking software that lets them know not only who did complete the classes, but more importantly, who didn't complete the
And
classes.
that's
And then
really,
they can go after them and just with gentle reminders and say,
yes.
hey, take this class.
Okay, so really, keeps them up to date with what's going on in the industry, make sure that they're hitting their marks on accreditation or licensing and classes and so forth. How do we find you? How do you sign up with CE classes?
So we're online, ce-classes.com.
Okay.
We have a good presence. If you look that up, you'll
Hmm.
find us.
Awesome. So
That-
ce-classes.com.
Classes.com.
Awesome. Again, we're with Ron Black, the Vice President of ceclasses.com. I appreciate your time today, Ron.
Thank
I
you.
had a lot of fun.
Me too.
Awesome. Thank you.